Hello again everyone and welcome to an update of your Saturday's weather conditions. Now yesterday was quite hot over the far northern parts of South Africa and today is going to be quite a bit cooler thanks to extensive cloud cover over much of Limpopo and parts of Mpumalanga. But this afternoon will bring a few thunder showers to the area once again, including in Gauteng. A fairly cloudy start to the day in the far east. Things will become clearer over that area and it's going to be partly cloudy in the far south of the country after yesterday's very cloudy and wet weather across that region. It's also going to be a warmer day for much of the northern and western Cape. Now for your rainfall probabilities, and there is a 60% likelihood for showers and thunder showers over most of Limpopo, extending towards the low-veld areas of Mpumalanga, isolated for Rustenburg, extending into Gauteng and across the Mpumalanga Highveld. And there we see rain at first over much of KwaZulu-Natal and down along the wild coast of the Eastern Cape. These areas will see clearance later on, although it will remain quite cloudy at times. Mainly dry for most of the Free State, the Northern and Western Cape provinces. Now let's take a look at the maximum temperatures, and it's going to be quite a mild day for eastern South Africa, lower to mid-20s for many places, particularly up in the northeast, as the cloud cover is much heavier today than it was over the past few days. We're expecting Bloemfontein to get to a pleasant 27 degrees, while in the northern and western Cape, some areas will even extend into the 30s this afternoon. The coastal conditions now, and we're expecting winds to be somewhat lighter today for the western coastline, 25 kilometers per hour from Namaqualand as well as Lambert's Bay. And winds will also be lighter around the peninsula after late yesterday's windy weather in the area, 30 kilometers per hour into False Bay, but a fresh easterly to southeasterly wind is still expected around Cape Agulhas. Winds will gradually be increasing this afternoon along the southern coastline, easterly winds extending from Port Elizabeth all the way through to Mossel Bay. Swell heights averaging at about 2.5 meters. And now for the eastern coastline, where we're expecting a moderate wind for both Durban and Richards Bay coming in from the south, while lighter winds are expected for the Wild Coast and East London. Low tide this afternoon at 24 minutes past 4. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday.